Once again, let me tell you that today we are discussing the methods of calculating interest on drawings. And under that, the first method is direct method. It suits you when you are calculating only interest for only one drawings which is made during the year. Then this method is suitable. Under this, what we do is the drawings amount will be multiplied with the rate of interest which will be given in the problem, and it will be multiplied with outstanding months. So now we need to understand what is mean by outstanding months. Outstanding months means the number of months during the year for which the drawings amount is used. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಆ ವರ್ಷದಾಗ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ outstanding months. For example, we all know that our financial year starts on 1st April and it ends by 31st March. We all are aware of it. Assume that if somebody withdraws money on 1st June 2019 or 2019, then we need to 1st June means he has withdrawn on the first date. That means complete June he will be using. We need to calculate June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So totally 10 months he has used the amount. So outstanding months will be 10 months. Assume if somebody has withdrawn money on 110, then 110 means he has withdrawn on 110 means 10 he will be using because he has withdrawn on the first day. So 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So totally how many months? 6 months are outstanding. Then assume if somebody withdraws money on 31st December. Now if he has withdrawn on 31st December, that means there is no chance of using it in December because it has been withdrawn on the last day. So he will be starting his usage from January, then February, then March. So totally how many months? 3 months. In this way, what you can do is you can calculate the outstanding months. So remember, the outstanding months are the months for which the drawings amount has been used. Then next is, after this, the second method is product method. And under this method, the formula is total product into rate divided by 100 into 1 divided by 12. 1 divided by 12. Now, you know very well that mathematically product means the result of multiplication of two numbers, that is called as product. And such products total is called as total product. So I will tell you later how this total product will be ascertained. Now, next is number 3. That is average method, or you can call it as shortcut method. Average method, or you can call it as shortcut method. Okay, so under shortcut method, the formula is total drawings into rate divided by 100. Rate divided by 100 into average period divided by 12. Into average period divided by 12. Now the question arises, how this average period should be ascertained. How this average period should be ascertained. See, I will give you all the possibilities. Now, remember that drawings can be of three types. One is beginning, and then next is end of the period, or what I will do, beginning, mid, and end. And now, after that, then next is, there will be two types of problem. One is month, and the next one is quarter. Okay, so now, when the problem is of month, mid means always 6, whether it may be month, quarter, or half year, always mid remains 6. And if it is beginning of month, 5.5 minus करना, तो 6 में 0.5 माइनस करेंगे तो 5.5 आएगा, प्लस 0.5 करेंगे तो कितना आएगा, 6.5. Then if it is quarter, then it should be plus 1.5 and minus 1.5. So it will be 7.5, 6 and 4.5. And this is used only when the problem is on product method, average method. And average method is also called a shortcut method because product method was very lengthy. So to reduce the burden, the shortcut method was introduced. Okay, so I request you to note down this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you repeat the last method, sir? Average method, sir.
Now, average method. Okay, मैं आपको और थोड़ी चीजें बताऊंगा. देखिए, now ये जो डायरेक्ट मेथड था, ये 1 और 2 ड्राइंग्स हो तो सुटेबल होता था. कौन सा? डायरेक्ट मेथड. प्रोडक्ट मेथड कब सूट होता है? when there is more than 2. More than 2. Okay. And average method भी more than 2 ही होता है. But ये कब अप्लाई होता है? जब अमाउंट और डेट्स यूनिफॉर्म हो तभी अप्लाई होता है. याद रखिए. It will be applicable only when the क्या बोलते हैं, months and amount are uniform, and dates and amounts are uniform. If they are not uniform, then you cannot apply average method. That you need to remember. For example, if a person withdraws 1,000 rupees at the beginning of each month, he is qualified for average method because he is withdrawing same amount at same intervals. Then next is first you note down this. Any doubts?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
No doubts?
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ हेड।
सर वो मंथ और क्वार्टर ईयर समझ में नहीं आ रहा सर।
नहीं, वो प्रॉब्लम में देता है कि मंथ है या क्वार्टर है, कुछ वहां कुछ कंफ्यूजन नहीं रहेगा आपको।
ठीक है सर, ठीक है, थैंक यू सर।
ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट। इसका टेक्निक है, जब क्लास में मैं जब लाइव लूंगा तब मैं आपको बताऊंगा कैसे याद रखना है। यहाँ थोड़ा बताना मुश्किल होता है, इसीलिए मैंने आपको नहीं बताया। अब बस वो नंबर्स आप याद रखिए, 5.5, 6 एंड 6.5 एंड 7.5, 6 एंड 4.5। नाउ अब हम आएंगे प्रॉब्लम। Now you come to page number 25. Page number 25. Yashasvi and Tapasvi are partners in a firm. During the years, the drawings as under 1/8/2015, 31/12/2015, and 31/3/2016. Now, partnership deed provided that partners are charged interest on drawings at 12% per annum. Calculate interest on drawings of Yashasvi under product method. Okay, so he more than two other, we would have definitely went for that. So first, you put heading calculation of interest on drawings. Calculation of interest on drawings. Of Mr. Yashasvi. Okay, you need 4 columns. The first one is date of drawings. Next, amount of next is outstanding months. Then the last is product. ಆಮೇಲೆ 31/12/2015. Next, (31/3/2016). Okay, and the amount is also given in the problem, 5,000. 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. $15,000. Okay, now he has withdrawn on 10. That means we need to start from 10 because 110 adari full 10 use ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. 10, 11, 12, January, February, March. So totally how many months? 6 months. And 31/12 बोले तो December consider नहीं करना because it is last date. So January, February, and March. It will be 3.
Sir, it is not 10, it is 8, sir.
8 sir.
Yes, sir, it is 8.
Which one?
सर पहला
first one.
वाला है जो 8
First one, sir. हाँ, sir.
Okay.
1/8/2015 sir.
If it is 1/8, then this will be 8. Because 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, sorry, just a minute. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. So totally how many months? 8 months. And the 31st March is last date, and on that day only the amount has been withdrawn, so nothing will be here. So now the column is product. So product column is B into C, that is 5,000 into 8, that is 40,000. And here 10,000 into 3, that is 30,000. And 15,000 into 0 is 0. So total is 70,000.
85.
84 कैसे होता है? 5,000 into 8 40 होता है ना? Just check.
Yes,
वाला
sir.
नहीं है तो छोड़ देना सर.
हाँ हाँ नहीं है तो छोड़ देना, कुछ भी नहीं लिखना होता है क्योंकि 0 आ जाता है ना रे.
ठीक है.
The outstanding months will be 0.
हाँ सर.
When it is 0, so anything which is multiplied by 0 will be 0 only. So now
ओके सर.
formula: interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into rate by 100 into, oh sorry, it is total product only. Total product into rate by 100 into 1 by 12. Now the total product is 70,000. Next, into rate divided by 100. Rate is how much? 12%. Into 1 by 12. So 12 cancel, 0000. So that comes to 700. Please note this. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now, next. Second problem is your homework. मैं आपका आउटस्टैंडिंग मंथ्स नोट करा देता हूं. देखिए फर्स्ट वाला 1/6 है, it becomes 10 months. You can write in front of that so that you don't make mistake. Then 6,000 on 39, that means 6 months.
Excuse me, sir.
What?
सर स्क्रीन आपका क्लियर नहीं है सर.
मेरा तो यहाँ मुझे क्लियर दिख रहा है. और एक लैपटॉप भी है, उसमें भी क्लियर है. देखिए अनुराग कानपुर दे. Your mic is on, sir. Please turn off. And even Divyashree. हाँ देखिए 1 6 कितना है? You have written 10, I think, right? And 39 is 6 and 3011 is 4 and 1 is 3. Next. Now let's start. Now, question number 2 homework 3. Murthy and Patil are partners. Murthy and Patil are partners in a firm. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Murthy withdrew rupees 4,000 quarterly at the beginning of each quarter of each quarter. Calculate interest on drawings at 9% per annum for the year ending 31/3/2017. We can easily do it. Sure. He's also he's asking us to do it under product method. Actually, average method will be very easy for this problem because everything is directly given. Now, let's start. Remember, quarter means 1/4. Can you tell me what is 1/4 of 12?
3.
3. That means a set of 3 months is called as quarter. याद रखिए. A set of now. First, we will start with noting down the name. ये सब भी होता है ना. Now, first, the 3 quarters let us decide. First, it starts with April. Then next it is May. And the last one is June. The next is May, June, July, August, September, October, November, April, May, June, July. Oh, sorry, ये इधर गलत हो गया. Right. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Okay, so now this is called quarter. Now what he is saying is the withdrawal is made at the beginning of each quarter. At the beginning of each quarter. So in that case, first, let me write. It is क्या है वो फर्स्ट वाला के फर्स्ट वाला क्या है बताइए डेट फर्स्ट इज डेट ऑफ ड्राइंग्स it will be first 1/4 1/4 next is amount of drawings. So amount is I think 4,000 consistently.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is 4,000. Next, outstanding months. पूरा 12 months आएगा because the first withdrawal is made on 1/4. Okay, next product. $48,000. Next, next. So it is 1/4, 4,000, 12, 48,000. Next is $1/7 after 3 months. Here, 1/7. ಆಮೇಲೆ 1/10. ಆಮೇಲೆ 1/1. Okay, so now next also amount of drawings are same, that is 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, and this will be 12, 9, 6 and 3. Now when you multiply, you get 48,000. Here you get 36,000. Here you get 24,000, and here you get 12,000. And check the total.
1,20,000.
1,20,000.
20,000.
Now, next is interest on drawings. Is equal to total product into rate by 100 into 1/12 into 1/12. So now, what is total product here? Anyone?
1,20,000.
1,20,000.
Okay, 1 lakh into what is the percentage?
9.
9.
9
Yes, sir.
into 9 divided by 100 into ಮುಂದೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು 1 divided by 12.
12.
So check how much it will be. 1,20,000 into 9% into 1 by 12.
900.
900, sir.
Okay, so 900 is the interest on drawings. Agedri? So tomorrow we will discuss the continued part of this. Until that time, bye and take care. Love is all we got. In a bright emptiness.